What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got Gio riding passenger, and we got, you know, GTI out here. My new tires, bro. But see how we do. I mean, it's kind of chilly, but bro, it's gonna be the same thing. We got Subaru fast. Dude, I want to run this thing right here. Not gonna. This is by Outback. Fast as shit. 600. I want to run this thing. I think I ran it last year. What else we got out here? What's up? Give me my damn memory card, bro.
Oh, god damn it.
Cheers.
See?
Hey, was that you at Holiday?
What's
Like
up?
10 minutes ago? At the one by the self-storage off the highway?
What, here?
Yeah.
No. We got a Model 3, but this is the performance one, so I ran Edwin with a regular Model 3 in that Vito, but this one probably a lot faster. Damn, this one's scary. This one's like fast.
Okay.
That'd probably beat me for sure.
That
looks really good.
But I don't know how the Zimmy base is so tight.
How much fire do you make, do you know?
510.
510? That's
Yeah,
good.
I get the injectors done here in the next couple weeks, and then I should get over 6.
Yeah, GTI's on deck. All the same. Same. And we got this vet here. Not sure what's done to it, but I think it's just stock. C5? C6, I don't know. Tesla fucking long range. We got the performance, but GTI gang. Huh? This thing's nice, dude. This thing's fast. Alright guys, we're in here. Ready to rock. Gio's about to take the camera and record for me, but cars are starting up. Should be good here. exactly.
Fuck, RS3?
Yeah, literally just stayed
Sick wheels. Sick wheels, bro.
Oh shit, same wheels?
Same wheels, man. Huh? Yeah.
It's like 700 wheel
Yeah, let's
horsepower.
see. This is stock Outback. It's got beat by commuter.
It's either stock or 1,000 horsepower.
Nice wheels, man. Those are clean.
You can tell it's fast by the rock chips.
When you go so fast, yeah.
Jesus. Holy fuck.
Look at that bat.
More power, babe.
Look at that thing, dude.
Is that the turbo?
Yeah. Last time that hit the... That's good.
Sorry, I like to fuck with people.
But FP Black, right? No.
So what is this, like stage 6? You know?
Dude, last time this shit like hit my in the head, remember?
Stage 1.
Yeah, let me pop the hood too.
It's stage 1.
only.
Alright guys, that was good fun. Totally forgot to record an end clip, so here I am. But yeah, so got a lot of good runs in. GTI was doing well. I need to figure out the mix. I actually need to install that sensor. That way I can make sure I'm running good E-mix, because I was pulling like -4 up to -5 knock on a couple cylinders, a couple runs. So definitely not good. But otherwise, I mean, it was pretty solid. Tires hooked good. A couple runs, they were kind of cold, so they didn't hook right away, but still pretty good regardless. Got out there, had some fun. Geos were nice enough to record, so that was great. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. I'm trying to get it out there. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.